Hi guys, welcome to Kylie's World. So, second day of my fasting detox. Y'all, I got the best night of sleep like I've ever had in years. So did my daughter. She's doing this with me. She woke up and she's like, Mom, I cannot get over the sleep I had. I slept so good and I'm not even tired. I feel great. So my conclusion is that when you eat about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and by the time you go to bed at 9, 10 o'clock, maybe even 8, your body's still digesting food. So what happens is that your body's digesting and it's not able to actually rest because it's still working. So you wake up tired, strung out, nasty feeling. Guys, I have energy. I went and worked out. It was amazing. I feel great so far. I mean, it's the second day and it's almost lunchtime, but I feel great, guys. I cannot say this enough. I feel amazing. I mean, I'm going to let y'all know how I feel again tonight, but I am absolutely so happy with this cleanse. All I'm doing is drinking a ton of water, pineapple juice after I work out. The magnesium and potassium, you really need that kind of stuff. And then I do have my collagen bone broth, which is I boiled bones for 2 days and I put carrots and celery and onions and boiled it all down to a liquid consistency. And guys, it's good and I feel great. So far, I highly recommend this diet. I am going to put the stuff onto YouTube, the video of how to make it. Also, today I'm making my website for my food blog because I'm always cooking, I'm always making new things, and yes, all of my recipes are my own. I do not copy anyone's recipe at all. I might get inspiration from someone else, but I change everything up in it. I've never followed a recipe in my life, and I never will, I don't think. They're all my own recipes. Or my grandmother's recipes because, yeah, I like keeping her recipes alive because she's a really good cook too. But guys, so far, highly recommend it. I'll check in tonight and tell y'all if I'm crabby, happy, upbeat, what's going on. But so far, I'm upbeat. My stomach's making a few noises now, but it's because I haven't eaten a day and a half. So I'm so excited. I feel great and I can't get over this. But I'll check back in. Peace. Love you guys.